Winter in a motorhome can be magical. Snowy mountains, quiet forests, cosy evenings inside your camper. But only if you're prepared. If not, it can be freezing, frustrating, and expensive. So today, I'll show you 10 must-have winter motorhome gadgets and gear that'll keep you warm, safe, and comfortable, no matter how cold it gets. Whether you're heading through the Scottish Highlands, the Alps, or a snowy campsite in Germany, these are the winter essentials every RV or campervan owner should have. Let's dive in. Number 1. Diesel heater. This is the number one essential for any winter camper. A diesel heater provides consistent warmth without draining your battery. Perfect for off-grid camping. Look for models like the Webasto Airtop or Chinese diesel heaters if you're on a budget. They're efficient, compact, and can heat your entire van within minutes. Just make sure to install it safely with proper ventilation. Number 2. Insulated thermal window covers. Heat loss is your worst enemy in winter. These reflective thermal window covers trap warmth inside and block icy drafts. Bonus, they also reduce condensation. Custom-fit covers for your model, like Remis or Silver Screens, make a huge difference in comfort and heating efficiency. Number 3. Heated mattress pad or 12-volt electric blanket. A warm bed equals a good night's sleep. Use a 12-volt heated blanket or low-watt electric mattress pad that runs off your leisure battery. They consume minimal power and turn your van into a cozy cocoon, especially when temps drop below freezing. Number 4. Dehumidifier or moisture absorber packs greater than winter equals condensation. To prevent damp, mould, and that awful smell, keep a mini 12-volt dehumidifier or use moisture absorber bags in cupboards and corners. It protects your bedding, electronics, and keeps the air fresh. Trust me, this one's underrated. Number 5. Insulated fresh and wastewater tank covers. Frozen water tanks are a nightmare. No washing, no cooking, no toilet flush. Wrap your tanks and pipes in thermal insulation or heated pads. You can find 12-volt tank heater pads that automatically activate when temps drop, essential for anyone camping below 0 degrees Celsius. Number 6. Portable gas or butane stove. Backup cooking option. Sometimes your main gas line or electric system fails in extreme cold. That's why every winter motorhome needs a portable backup stove. Simple, reliable, and great for emergencies or outdoor cooking. Keep it in a safe, ventilated area and always carry extra canisters. Number 7. Thermal curtains and door draft stoppers. Preventing heat escape is just as important as heating. Hang thermal blackout curtains between your cab and living area and use door draft stoppers on the floor. This small step can raise inside temperature by a few degrees, saving both energy and fuel.
Number 8. LED work light or headlamp.
Winter means short days. A rechargeable LED work light or headlamp is a lifesaver for setting up camp, checking under your van, or late-night walks. Choose models with magnetic bases and USB-C charging, perfect for off-grid use. Number 9. Carbon monoxide and smoke alarm combo. Safety first. With heaters, stoves, and gas systems running longer in winter, you must have a working CO detector and smoke alarm. Test them regularly. These gadgets can literally save your life. Number 10. Tire traction mats and snow chains. Getting stuck on ice is no fun. Always carry traction mats and snow chains if you're driving in snowy regions. Combine them with a small folding shovel. You'll thank yourself when the campsite turns into a snowfield. Bonus tips. Winterproof motorhome checklist. Check antifreeze levels. Lubricate door seals. Keep a 12-volt battery jump starter handy. Store a thermal flask for hot drinks, and always keep an emergency power bank for your phone. And that's it. My list of 10 essential winter motorhome gadgets and gear to make cold weather camping not just bearable, but enjoyable. If you've got your own favourite winter RV gadgets, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to feature some in a future video. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you love motorhome, RV and campervan content. And check out my last video, 10 winter motorhome hacks you need to know. Stay warm, stay safe, and happy travels!